guys, welcome to a brand new channel, Dream Block Garage, where we build cars. We're building a stand for the motor today, guys. I'm Bud.
And I'm E. We know this place is a giant mess. We're gonna get the cherry picker, clean this place up, and now let's get at it.
Let's get.
Hey guys, here are some of the parts for the motor stand.
We dug this baby up. Now let's get to it. We got to put this in. Where's Nate? Is it working, Nate?
Yep. Let's take this baby and let's go for a road trip.
Okay, guys, we got our thunder tank all loaded up. Now we're gonna go get our motor, guys. We're going to get our motor. I might as well talk about myself on this road trip. My name's Bud. I'm 12 years old. I'm not gonna tell you my real name because there's too many weirdos out there. And my dad started building a car at 12. I'm gonna build a car at 12. Road trip montage! This wouldn't be a road trip without snacks. We got some Doritos. We got some spicy ranch Doritos. We got some Red Bull. And some Mountain Dew SA. Ease back now.
Get it? You're almost there. I like the sound of that.
Don't.
I don't think those bolts are gonna go either. You got one more pump?
I can do
That's
it.
probably good. Alright. You good? I want you back up. I'll drive the trailer out, okay? You hear me? Stand back.
Oh my god, the tire already fell out. Oh my god, it's floating.
Oh.
The tire fell in his
Get
face.
away from it.
Recording.
Harry, this is your job.
Oh.
You gotta repin that and strip it all down and get rid of the garbage we don't need.
Uh,
See that?
So this is our motor. What kind is it, Dad?
This is a 5.3 out of an 04 Tahoe, I think is where it came out.
Wow.
Got about 160,000 on it, and this is a LS motor, so I'm not dealing with that. We'll probably buy something new. Don't have
Nope.
patience. Unless you want to do it. You want to do it? Smart
No.
pants?
No. I go to the store, get the right bolts. See you next time.
We're gonna clean this baby up, make it look cool. Bye.
Hello.